Some people try to cheat on drug tests, but the collection sites are trained to catch this. If you are busted, most of the time, you'll have to take the test again, this time with someone watching closely. I'm Dr. Stan Ross from the Center for Metabolic Research. In this video, I'll show you the steps collectors take to prevent cheating and explain the whole process in a simple, step-by-step way. I'll also talk about a legal option you can consider if you're worried about not passing your test. First, when you arrive at the testing facility, you'll handle some paperwork. After that, you will need to empty your pockets completely. You must also remove outer clothing like jackets or hats. Remember this key point. If a collector finds anything clearly meant for cheating, they will likely require a direct observation test immediately. Nobody wants that experience. Next, the collector will visually examine you. They cannot physically pat you down, but they will look carefully. They are checking for bulges or items that suggest you might be carrying something to cheat the test. Then, you will be required to wash your hands thoroughly. The collector usually watches you do this. This step helps remove any potential cheating substances. Someone might try hiding powders or liquids under their fingernails. Washing eliminates this possibility. After these initial steps, you proceed to the collection restroom. The bathroom itself is set up specifically to prevent cheating. You might notice the sink handles are removed. The toilet tank lid is often taped shut or secured. There's usually blue dye added to the toilet bowl water. All these measures aim to stop anyone from diluting their sample. They prevent using tap water or clean toilet water. Inside the stall or collection area, you won't find soap or hand sanitizer. Paper towels are usually removed too. This prevents adding substances to the urine sample after collection. The room design is often minimalist. Collectors might tape over cracks or seal cabinets and ceiling tiles. This limits potential hiding spots for cheating devices. Once you have provided your sample in the cup, you hand it directly to the collector. From this moment on, the collector must keep the cup in their sight at all times. The first thing they check is the temperature. Your urine sample must be between 90 and 100 degrees Fahrenheit. If the temperature is off, you'll have to give another sample while someone watches. Finally, the collector visually inspects the urine sample itself. They look for unnatural colors like blue or green. They check for unusual cloudiness or any visible residue or particles. If the sample looks suspicious, it triggers further scrutiny. This often means, again, a direct observation retest. As you can see, trying to cheat carries significant risks. The procedures make it very difficult and likely to be caught. You cannot easily use adulterants. Bringing substitute urine into the facility is risky, but what should you do if you genuinely believe you might test positive? This happens sometimes, especially with marijuana. It can stay detectable for weeks or even months after quitting. First, consider asking to reschedule the test. This might give you more time for the substance to clear your system naturally. However, approval depends entirely on the reason for the test. Your employer or the requesting agency decides if rescheduling is allowed. If you cannot reschedule and must take the test, there are options. I recommend looking into the Fast Marijuana Detox Kit from Green Fleets. This kit is designed to help you pass a drug test safely. It works by temporarily flushing your system. This creates a window of about 5 hours when your urine may test clean. Thousands of customers have found it effective. You can find a link to the kit in the description below.